Low-carb breads can be expensive, dry, and tasteless. Not this one. My keto bread will have you saving money and savouring every bite.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So to start, into a large bowl, add the eggs. Yes, there is a lot of eggs, but you need them, and trust me, the bread does not taste eggy, but I'll get to that later in the recipe. Whisk the eggs for about 5 to 8 minutes, either by hand or electric beaters. Now, the reason why you want to beat them for so long is it generates heaps of air into the eggs, which will give the bread a real light, fluffy texture. Next, add the cooled melted butter and whisk again for a further minute. Next, add in the almond flour, baking powder, and xanthan gum. Now, what is xanthan gum and where can I get it? Well, it's a polysaccharide, which means it's a food stabilizer and thickening agent. So it basically prevents the ingredients from separating. You can get xanthan gum at many supermarkets in the health food section or in health food stores. Add a pinch of salt and gently mix. You don't want to overmix the dough because you want to retain as much air as you can. Place the batter into a loaf tin lined with baking paper. Now this goes into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. When it comes out, leave it in the tin for 10 minutes, then take it out and leave to cool completely. This is a stage where that eggy taste completely disappears, so don't cut into it or anything, just leave it to cool. Once cool, you can slice into it and spread any nut butter you wish or my homemade Keto Nutella. If you want me to share that recipe video, let me know in the comments. As for keeping this, it will keep for days in the fridge in an airtight container. I slice it as I go, but I also keep slices in the freezer and thaw when needed. This is just the base recipe to launch some amazing keto bread creations. I'm thinking cinnamon sugar toast or adding seeds and nuts to make a whole grain version. You can also try out different flours like coconut. Try it out and let me know what you think. It certainly will save you loads of money for a much better product.